Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Basic Computer Learning. Today we are going to learn how to make a resume in MS Word. Okay, so press Window plus R, then WinWord. Okay, here is your MS Word. Go to the More templates. Okay, then search Resume. And here is your resumes. Okay, scroll down for more resumes. Okay, then choose your resume what you want to create. Okay, please watch the full video, then you learn how to make a resume in MS Word. Okay, see how to change the picture. All for today. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe my channel.